The Jumuboard magnetic dry erase film turns a large wall into a full-sized writing surface, giving offices, classrooms, and home workspaces far more room for brainstorming than a standard framed board. Its peel and stick backing adheres securely to smooth surfaces like painted walls, glass, wood, and doors, so installation is straightforward and does not require drilling or hardware. The thick writing surface feels smooth under the marker and wipes clean easily without ghosting, even after repeated use, which makes it practical for heavy daily note-taking or teaching. Because the film accepts magnets, it doubles as a display board for handouts, photos, and reminders, which is especially useful in meeting rooms and family command centers. The cuttable design with a printed grid on the backing lets you trim it precisely or create smaller custom panels, making it flexible for odd wall areas, desks, or children's creative corners. It arrives with markers, a magnetic eraser, magnets, and a holder, so you can start using the board immediately without hunting for compatible accessories.